I contacted with him yesterday is not correct. I want to grow up my business is also not correct. I'm Teacher Mike, and today I'm going to help you stop making two very common mistakes. First, when we use the word contact as a verb, we do not add the word with. So the sentence, I contacted with him yesterday, should just be, I contacted him yesterday. No with. However, when we use the word contact as a noun, we do often need the word with. For example, you might hear make contact with. This usually focuses more on the idea that we are contacting someone for the first time. For example, he's trying to make contact with aliens. You might also hear in contact with. We use this to focus on communication happening continuously. For example, I'm still in contact with some of my friends from high school. That means that we still talk to each other sometimes. So there are some situations in which we use contact with. But when you're using contact as a verb, it should not have with. So you should never say things like, I contacted with him, or did you contact with the customer? Those should be, I contacted him, and did you contact the customer? The second mistake is using grow up instead of just grow. For example, saying things like, I want to grow up my business. The problem here is that growing up is the process of changing from a child to an adult. For example, I grew up in the United States. That basically means that I lived in the United States until I was about 18 years old. Or you might hear someone say, you need to grow up. That does not mean that you need to get taller. What it means is that you need to stop acting like a child and start acting like an adult. Also, notice that both of those examples were about people, not about things. Things do not grow up, only people do. When you want to talk about something getting bigger, the correct word is just grow. For example, I want to grow my business. Or I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. And in some situations, you will need to use a different word. For example, improve, develop, or expand. However, that is a topic for another video. The main thing I want you to remember today is just that grow up is used to talk about humans changing from children to adults.